Hi, my name is Andrei.
And what
I,
do you currently do?
I'm a builder. I own a building and refurbish company in South Lakes. We're covering the northwest area.
And what are we doing here today?
I'm here to learn more about the BRRs, which I'm planning to do in the future. Actually, I already take action. Mentor helped me to raise some finance and glaze some deals. So I already have a couple of deals in progress.
And is that just this week you've done that?
Yeah, this week. This week I managed to do this. I'm just a month in academy, so everything is moving fast.
And how are
The
you finding it all?
I find it quite intense, but also I find results, in this short time. So I'm looking forward to get that deal done.
Yeah, nice. And what do you think about the team and about Samuel?
The team is quite very helpful, special to fill up the gaps which you have it. So it's that missing puzzle piece, So when you speak with them, you just put that piece, and everything is having sense.
Great. And what would you say to someone wanting to get into property?
Definitely follow the money. So if you want to get in the property, just come to our academy and they will teach you step by step what you have to do. I'm just a builder. I don't have knowledge about legal stuff. So academy helped me with all this legally and how to do my deals.